In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a newsletter on Klaviyo. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a newsletter campaign created, designed with a template, and ready to review and send. Go ahead and log into your Klaviyo account and make sure you are looking at the main dashboard. First, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Campaigns. This is where Klaviyo keeps all one-time sends, like newsletters, announcements, and promotions. Once you are on the Campaigns page, click Create Campaign. Klaviyo will ask what type of campaign you want to build, so choose Email. This makes sure you are creating a standard email newsletter, not an SMS or another channel. Next, you will move into the setup flow. Start by selecting Recipients. This is an important part because it controls who will receive your newsletter. Choose the audience you intend to email, such as a list or a segment you have already created in your account. Take a moment to confirm the selection is correct, since sending to the wrong group can cause confusion and hurt engagement. When you are ready, click Next to move to Content. Now enter your subject line. In this example, use the subject line for your consideration. Your subject line is what subscribers see first, so keep it clear and aligned with what the email contains. Even small changes to wording can affect open rates, so it is worth double-checking for spelling and readability before you continue. After that, choose your email design. Click Drag and Drop, then select the newsletter template. The Drag and Drop editor is designed to be simple, so you can quickly adjust text and layout later without needing code. Starting with a newsletter template also helps keep your formatting consistent and professional. Once the template loads, click Save and Exit. This saves your progress and brings you back out of the editor so you can move forward with the sending process. Finally, click Review and Send. This is your last checkpoint to confirm everything is correct, including recipients, subject line, and the email content. Review carefully before sending to make sure your newsletter is ready for your audience. That covers everything you need to know.